Welcome back. So now we'll go to single pointed focus. What is single pointed focus? How to learn deep focus and achieve any goal of life. That is single pointed focus. Okay. Focus is most valuable asset in the world. Whatever you focus on will grow. Okay. A point of concentration. What is it? It is direct attention, distinction from the previous experience, distinction from the previous experience, concentrating effectively on a subject, blocking out distractions, inhibitions. All these are distracting. Like point of focus is concentration is where you are focusing. Okay, you have to do deep research. Don't change your goal. Change the ways to reach that goal. Flexible. Algebra is be flexible to the way to approaching it. Have one goal. Once you decide, never change that. Have a bigger vision and then reach. And concentration point can be anything. You can have any goal, but how you're focusing and approaching to that goal is very important. That is concentration. Practice makes perfect. Now mind are the more distracted than ever. You know, when we started our course, Freedom Skills Transformation Model, I said declutter your mental space, declutter your physical space, emotional space, spiritual space, digital space. Why I said that? Because you will attain focus, you will learn about focus, you will be productive, and here you are learning why it is important. You need to have simple mind, simple, so that when you are clean slate, what will happen when you focus 100% on task, which will give you success. So let us go to 360 mindfulness. What is 360 mindfulness? Mindfulness practice involves the process like developing the skill of bringing one's attention to whatever is happening in the present moment. It's like power of now. If you want to achieve anything in life, you need to be present in this moment. And you can, when you walk in this moment, then only you are going to achieve anything. But we don't learn how to remain in present. We are always in past or future. So learn attention, learn focus, be in present moment. Watching the breath, body scan, and other techniques are there. We'll do also. I will teach you how to do 360 mindfulness. One method is sit in a straight back, like sit like this, sit straight and on a cushion or cross leg or chair, whatever is comfortable. Close your eyes. Bring your complete attention to the nostrils and see when air is coming, where it is touching the nostril area. When air is going out, natural air, where it is touching. Breathe in again. See where it is touching. When it goes out, where it is touching. Your mind might wander here and there in events, present, past, and it's like monkey mind is going here and there, but you need to bring it with compassion and love again. See where it is touching. See. This is life. In this moment, enjoy this moment. See where it is touching. When it comes in, it's coming now. multitasking is an addiction. It is worse than alcohol.